Excuse me, can you help me? I'm new in this city.
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the train station.
Oh, it's not far. Just walk straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight. Got it. Then what?
Turn left at the coffee shop, and you'll see the station.
Perfect. Is it a big station?
Yes, you can't miss it. There's a big clock on top.
Thanks a lot. You just saved my day.
No problem. Have a great trip.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me with this security check?
Of course. Do you have your boarding pass and ID?
Yes, here they are. Is this the right line?
Yes, you're in the right place. Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Just a small bottle of water. Is that okay?
Sorry, water is not allowed. You need to throw it away.
Oh, I see. Can I keep my laptop in the bag?
No, please take your laptop out and put it in a tray.
All right. Do I need to take off my shoes too?
Yes, please take them off and put them on the belt.
Okay. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Hi, excuse me. Can you help me find a book?
Of course. What's the title?
It's called Modern American History.
Great. Let me check the computer.
Thanks. I really need it for my class.
Okay. It's on the 2nd floor in the history section.
Could you tell me where exactly?
Sure. It's in aisle B, shelf 3.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck with your class.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm lost. Do you know where Main Street is?
Yes, it's just 2 blocks away.
Should I go left or right from here?
Go left, then walk straight.
Thank you. Is it far to walk?
No, maybe 5 minutes.
That's good. Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, there's one at the corner.
Great, I might take the bus. Thanks a lot for your help.
That's a good idea. It's very quick. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Excuse me, could you help me lift my bag?
Sure, no problem. Is it going up there?
Yes, I need to put it on the overhead rack.
All right, let me grab it for you.
Thank you so much. It's heavier than I thought.
No worries. Traveling alone?
Yeah, just visiting family for the weekend.
That's nice. Where are you headed?
Springfield? About 2 more stops.
Cool. I'm getting off there too.
Hi there. Would you mind helping me take a photo?
Of course. I'd be happy to. Do you want a portrait or a landscape shot?
A landscape one, please. I want the mountains in the background.
Got it. Stand over there. It'll look amazing.
Thank you so much. I'm terrible at selfies.
Me too. That's why I carry a real camera sometimes.
That's smart. Maybe I should get one too.
You'll love it. Okay, ready? Say cheese.
Good morning, Mr. Davis. What should I start with today?
Good morning, Tom. Today, I'd like you to organize the new files first.
Sure. Should I put them in alphabetical order?
Yes, that will be perfect. After that, you can check the inventory list.
Got it. Is there anything else I need to do?
Yes, please prepare the meeting room before 2 p.m.
All right. I'll make sure everything is ready on time.
Excellent. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. I appreciate your support.
You're welcome, Tom. You're doing a great job.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was very delicious. What's the total?
It's $25. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll use my card. Can I also get a receipt?
Sure. Do you need a printed or email receipt?
Printed, please. Can I also leave a tip?
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, do you know where the elevator is?
Sure. It's just down the hallway to your left.
Thanks. I'm trying to get to the 5th floor.
No problem. The elevator goes to all floors.
Great. Is it working today?
Yes, I used it this morning.
That's good to know. I have a lot to carry.
Need any help with your bags?
That's very kind, but I think I've got it.
All right. Have a great day.
Hi, how much is the fare to the airport?
It's about $35 depending on traffic.
Does that include the tolls?
Nope. Tolls are extra, usually around $5.
Got it. Can I pay with a card?
Sure. I accept both cash and card.
How long will the ride take?
Around 40 minutes if there's no crazy traffic.
All right. I just hope we don't hit rush hour.
Fingers crossed. Let's get going.
Hi there. Could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thanks. What do you recommend for lunch?
Our grilled chicken sandwich is very popular.
That sounds good. Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a veggie wrap and a quinoa salad.
Great. And what drinks do you have?
We have soda, iced tea, coffee, and fresh juice.
I'll start with an iced tea while I look at the menu.
Sounds good. Take your time.
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest ATM is?
Yes, it's just down the street, next to the coffee shop.
Oh, thank you. Is it far from here?
No, it's only a 5-minute walk.
Great. Is it safe to use at night?
Yes, it's well lit, and there are usually people around.
That's good to hear. Do I need to cross the street to get there?
Yes, cross at the traffic light, then you'll see it on the left.
Perfect. Thank you for the clear directions.
You're welcome. Are you new in town?
Yes, I just arrived today.
Well, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Hello? Can you tell me how much this medicine costs?
Sure. Which one do you need?
I need the cough syrup on the top shelf.
That one is $12.99. Do you have a prescription?
No, it's for over-the-counter use. Is there a cheaper option?
Yes, we have a generic brand for $8.
Great! I'll take that one. How do I use it?
Take 1 spoon 3 times a day after meals.
Hi there. How much is the ticket to get in?
Hello? It's $10 for adults, $5 for kids, and free if you're under 2 or over 100.
Too bad I'm only 30. Do you have a student discount?
Yes, we do. With a student ID, it's only $7.
Nice! That saves me enough for an ice cream. What's included in the ticket?
Entry to the museum, the garden, and 1 free photo with our giant dinosaur statue.
Wow! I always wanted a photo with the T-Rex. Is it scary?
Only if you stand too close. He bites on weekends.
I'll keep my distance then. 1 ticket, please.